Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. I'm thankful that you would join me today. No matter what's going on in your life, it's very precious to just take some time to slow down, to breathe, and to look in. That's what we're gonna do today. I hope it's okay with you. Getting comfortable, my friend. Enjoying this time of not having to do anything but just listen, enjoy, and relax. Gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space, becoming aware of how you feel. Not pushing any emotions away, but instead witnessing and welcoming all that's inside. Anxiety is welcome. Our old friend insecurity is welcome. Our old friend anger, he's welcome as well. Our old friend fear, go ahead and invite him in. Sadness, depression, disappointment, they are all welcome. Becoming aware of your posture, my friend, aware of how you're sat. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in new life. trust. And exhaling. Dropping your shoulders. Relaxing the belly. Relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing the palms of your hands and feet. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale and exhale. Breathing in aliveness. And exhale. Breathing in inner strength. Exhale, feeling more grounded. Doing good, my friends. Stay with me. Aware of your posture. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Feeling your belly absolutely relaxed. You're safe to close the eyes and look inside, witnessing and welcoming your mind as it is. Your mind has been wanting to think. Now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And very slow, very soft. Exhale. Allowing your mind to be totally free. With closed eyes, looking inside. Very gently, very lovingly. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of storylines, coming back into your body, feeling more love for your body. Deep breath in and exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you joining me today. Color for today. Are you ready for it? The color for today is crystal clear. The number is 0, and the animal is a guinea pig. A crystal clear guinea pig. Can you imagine that? Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. As you come back into this fresh moment, full of opportunities, new opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to have fun. Breathing in slow and soft. And breathing out. Becoming aware of your body, aware of how you're sat, aware of your space. Taking one last deep breath for now. Hold. Continuing to hold that breath at the top for 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Sending a hug to your heart space. Let your heart be open today, especially to those people that can challenge you or to those situations that can challenge you. Instead of trying to think your way through it, drop down from the head into your heart. Sometimes you gotta drop even further than the heart into the gut. And trust your gut, trust your intuition, something beyond rational thought, but more like a sense in the body. And to do this, it's good to speak to your body and ask your body what it thinks. The body has its own mind, its own way of coming to an answer. And so I recommend going for a walk is very nice, or a run, or playing some sport, or taking a bike ride, something to get in the body so you can clear the mind and let your body have its own idea of what to do. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.